Click, 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 click. As I look around, they don't do it like my click. Good morning, guys. It's Monday. I think last week I was talking about how I suspected my back pain to be like kidney irritation or something, and I was pretty sure just because of how the description of it was. The only thing that it's not convincing me yet is that when I'm not moving around, like right now, it doesn't hurt. Only when I'm moving, it hurts. I don't know if that's how it works, so I should probably go see a doctor. But what I don't want to happen is I go see a doctor and he says, oh, you know, we gotta do some checks so you can't go to Australia or something. It's really been bothering me recently. Like I really can't get up or sit down without feeling like a lot of pain. My ankle also started hurting. On Saturday, I was shooting a wedding and we went on some rocks while shooting at the beach. And I almost rolled my ankle, and so that kind of made me flinch a little bit. And ever since then, it's just a little bit sore. But yeah, it's really, really bothering me. I feel 100 years old right now. Hey guys, it's dinner time, and again I forgot to record the keto okonomiyaki recipe, but yeah, it looks really good. Let me show you what it is. That's the thin cut pork belly. This is the topping, which is cabbage, eggs, and some other stuff, and cheese. And this is how we cook it. They basically look like pancakes with some sauce and some mayonnaise, and then some bonito flakes. Ah, ya te ensuciaste. Good morning, guys. So last night after I got done taking a shower, I reached down to get my laundry so I can put it in the hamper, and my back just went. Right now I'm standing, but it takes me a while just to bend down or sit down or even lift my legs or walking. So tomorrow I have an acupuncture appointment. We had a couple friends that went there after they hurt their backs and they said it helped. So I'm gonna try that first, see how it goes. And hopefully it'll fix it. If not, then I'm gonna have to go see a doctor because it's been getting worse since I first felt the pains. Tú come, déjala. Good morning, guys. Today's Wednesday and I'm on my way to go get some acupuncture done. It's gonna be my first time. I was kind of hesitant because I don't know how it works. It seems like a waste of money, but I'm gonna hold my judgment until after the procedure and hopefully it'll help me out. I feel a lot better now. The pain isn't as bad. I can actually kind of move around a little bit. When it first happened 2 days ago, it was really bad. I can barely move. The last day and a half, I pretty much stayed at home, laying down, trying to take it easy, try not to move too suddenly and re-injure it. I did kind of injure it a little bit last night when I went to the bathroom and I was kind of off balance a little bit. So I kind of felt that contraction of my muscles. Speaking of that, I am pretty confident right now that it's a muscle sprain and not necessarily a kidney problem. I still want to get checked, but I don't want to do it now. I want to wait until we come back from Australia because that'll give us 4 months to get any kind of recovery period done. As long as I can walk around and I don't feel sick, like a fever or anything like that, then I'm comfortable going to Australia that way. Plus, I still haven't really mentioned it, but I did get a good deal on the tickets with medical insurance. So if anything happens in Australia, like it happened in Hokkaido when I broke my ankle, at least this time I'll be covered insurance-wise. And if I need to cancel the trip, I won't lose as much. So for now, I'm just gonna walk to the car. I got about an hour before I need to go to the appointment. It's a 10-15 minute walk to the car. And so I'm just gonna take it easy, relax, kind of get the muscles nice and stretched out and warmed up. Alright guys, so that wasn't as easy as I thought it was gonna be. And also, I forgot that my ankle is sore too. I had a good idea to walk. Alright guys, I just got done with the acupuncture and it didn't take too long. It was about 30 minutes I think. But it felt real good because she actually gave me a massage before she started putting the needles. And then with the needles, I think she put some kind of electrodes on there. And started giving me some like pulsating electrical signals. And it wasn't painful at all, but it was really nice. It felt good. So now I just gotta try to make an effort not to stay in the same position too long. And also probably stretch. I've had back problems before, but I never really took care of it. I never really addressed it. But this is a good first step. I'm walking, I don't feel too much pain. I can still feel a little tender, but not as bad as when I first woke up. So hopefully it just gets better from this point on. I gotta make sure this weekend I have drill, and I'm not too sure if I'll be able to participate. So I gotta figure that part out. But for now, I feel good. Hey guys, so my back is really hurting. It's not getting any better. So this weekend I was supposed to come in on Friday afternoon, stay overnight on Friday, Saturday, and come back Sunday morning from Army drill, from training. But I can't even carry my own weight right now. It feels like it. If I walk too much, it starts hurting. So I decided I'm just gonna come in Friday afternoon, and then Saturday I'm gonna try to relax, and then Sunday I'll go help out those guys once they come back from the field, just to do some admin stuff. So I'm gonna try to keep movement to a minimum this weekend so that it doesn't get worse before we fly. Good morning. I'm on my way to Army drill, but my back is still hurting. It seems like it's getting worse. Today when I got up, it was just painful, and it took me about an hour just to get ready, you know, take shower and put all this uniform, especially the boots. The boots were very painful to put on, just because I have to bend down. But as I mentioned before, I do want to go up there and help those guys out, prep for the field, because they're going to stay out tonight and tomorrow. So if anything, I want to make sure that we have enough hands to get everything that needs to get done. Once those guys go out to the field, I'm most likely gonna go to the emergency room to get this back issue checked out. You know, one thing I was asking Megu yesterday, how pain medication helps with the sore back, because you figure the only reason I move slowly is because I feel that pain, and I'm assuming that helps heal my back, so I'm not making fast, sudden movements. But if I get pain medication, which doesn't allow me to feel the pain, then how do I know not to move too fast? I don't know if that makes sense, but that's one of the reasons I don't really like medication. I don't like taking Tylenol, Advil, any of that stuff. Even when I broke my ankle and after the operation, I was hesitant to take medication until the pain just got way too much, and even then I only used it once or twice. But I don't want to go to Australia and be completely immobile up there and not enjoy the trip. So I do want somebody to check out my back to let me know if it's anything serious. Again, it doesn't feel like it's a kidney thing anymore, like I initially thought. Now I'm pretty sure it's some kind of a muscle injury. So I've been Googling and watching YouTube videos on how to help with a sore back, and I'm doing most of the things that they suggest, except see a specialist. So I guess it's time to go see somebody. Well, that took a long time. I just got done at the emergency room. I was mostly waiting around. I figured they weren't gonna find anything. They just said it's a injured lower back. So they gave me some medication that I was hesitant on, but I want to have it with me when I go to Australia, just in case it gets really bad. Then I can take it, and I don't have to go see a doctor or go to the drugstore over there. So time to go home and relax a little bit.